We've made it back to Cannes, France, Tipsy Crew. After a 20 nautical mile sail from Saint-Tropez, we decided to drop anchor in between the two small islands south of Cannes. We stayed on the Isle Sainte Marguerite side, where we enjoyed constant beautiful scenery from just right outside of our boat's windows. As always, the biggest chore for liveaboard cruisers is provisioning, so we do just that at the Cannes Market, which is hosted every day. They start with an antique market along the main street, and if you walk a few more blocks behind the main street, you will find a gigantic market filled with everything you can imagine. We had to stock up as much as we could because we were about to set sail on a 40 nautical mile sail to San Remo with a pit stop in Villefranche. What are you gonna get next? I love Zooks. Yeah. So good. Nice. Look at this place. It's a madhouse in here.
Oh man, these onions too.
What'd you do? Another chore for sailors that becomes second nature to them is checking the weather. Sailing is such a weather-dependent hobby, and if a storm is brewing, it's wise to seek a safe place to hunker down until it passes. Villefranche is one of France's southeastern cities, just kissing the border to Italy. We decided to anchor here for the next 2 days and then head south to tuck away in a marina in San Remo before the storm comes through. While in Villefranche, we take a quick train ride to Nice and explore all of what the city has to offer, including its stellar views from the top of Colline du Château. We end our last day with provisioning again because who knows what could happen during a storm. It's best to be prepared for anything.
About it was a meal. I found them.
The eggs.
The oofs. Aw. Just gotta provision before the storm.
Big difference. Cruiser life and boat life.
Big difference.
This is cruiser life.
Oh yeah, that's so true. Good job. I've got the baguette. I've got the goods. You want to get right there. We walked up all these stairs. And there's so many more where that came from. Saturday! Okay. Oh, cheers. Shit. Cheers. Thank you.
It's good?
Red wine just like sponge. We love it. Thank you.
Ready?
The biggest egg we've ever seen.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, it's massive.
you're having twins. No wonder. God,
That's
that chicken
awesome.
must have been hurting.
We really soak up as much as we could while in company with one of our really close hometown friends, Jenna. It's been a fun and crazy month full of great memories, but unfortunately, a lot of poor sailing weather. Yet, I'd say we definitely made the most out of it. As we say goodbye to our first visitor, we now have to figure out our next move. It's a tough decision for John and I because we aren't able to sail too far away from France, as we have to keep the boat near Le Grand Mont for a boat show in April. The season is almost coming to an end, but we want to get every ounce of enjoyment in sailing as we can on our new boat. We decided to enjoy some time in Antibes before heading towards Perpignan, France to get Lesai held out. Stay tuned for our last few weeks of cruising on our new 44-foot catamaran around the French Riviera.